Okay, students. So here is the discussion for electric field intensity due to dipole on equatorial line. We know when the point P is on the equatorial plane of the dipole, that point P may be assumed that it is on the equatorial line, the line passing through the perpendicular bisector of the dipole itself. That line is known as the equatorial line. So here it is very simple. We can say that the point P is at equidistant from the two charges. Since I am considering the point P is exactly the line passing through the midpoint of the dipole, that is why both negative charge as well as the positive charge are equidistant from the point P. So, in magnitude, both the field intensities are same, since the magnitude of the charges same as well as the distance from the point P and the respective charges are also same, right? But here we have to consider the vectorial sum of the field intensity while calculating the E net due to the two charges. We have to consider the vector notation of the E itself. For that purpose, we can take the field intensity due to the charge positive at point P is radially outwards, right? So due to the negative charge, the field intensity lines is towards the charge, radially inwards. So here I am considering the position vector of the point plus charge at point P is making an angle theta with the horizontal. By simple mathematics, we can say the theta is here, as well as the theta is also same here also. Very simple. So I'm just drawing that you can say, in other words, the free body diagram we can say. So the total field intensity at point P like this. See, due to the positive charge, the field intensity is radially outward, and due to the negative charge, the field intensity is towards the charge. So I have to resolute the two vectors E plus and E minus, such as E plus cos theta is acting like this and E plus sin theta is acting like this. Likewise, E minus cos theta is also acting towards my right and E minus sin theta is acting vertically downwards. Since the theta is the same and the E magnitude of E also same, so this vertically opposite quantities get cancel each other. So E plus sin theta and E minus sin theta, since both are same in magnitude but acting in opposite direction, there is no sign components in field intensity. So by simply we can take the cos component only. So E net can be written as E plus cos theta plus E minus cos theta, and we know that the magnitudes of E plus and E minus both are same, so I can simply add these two, algebraic sum. So 2E cos theta, so E net is equals to 2 into K into Q by R square, I can say. So here the point P is at a distance of root over R square plus L square from each charge. Since this is the length, half of the length of the dipole, and the point P is at a distance of R from the center of the dipole, so by Pythagoras theorem I can say this is nothing but the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. So this is the R square plus L square. So here it is already KQ by R square, square root and get cancelled, so I am writing cos theta. So from the triangle here, so we can say cos theta as L by root over R square plus L square. So I am writing here. So here ikkadanta kudanu manaki mathematics vastundi, itu nunchi kudanu mathematics vastundi, right? So cos theta can be written as L by root over R square plus L square. So by rewriting this one, 2L into K, I am writing mundu rastanu, 2L by 2L into KQ by R square plus L square whole power 3 by 2. This is 1 plus half, that is 3 by 2, that is E net. Then what do you mean by this length of the dipole into charge? We can rewrite this one as the dipole moment. So this is nothing but K into P by R square plus L square whole power 3 by 2 is the generalized expression for the field intensity on the equatorial line. So again we have to consider the special case here, such as for short dipole, which means R much greater than L, then E equatorial, I am representing this EQ as, since L can be considered as 0, R square power 3 by 2, 2 to get cancelled, so here I am getting K into P by R cube, right? This is the most important expression for the objective, right? So this is one big difference, or the big similarity between the field intensities due to the axial line as well as the equatorial line. So write in that note as, so E axial we derived earlier video, that is K into 2P by R cube, and E equatorial here is K into P by R cube. So from these two we can write that E axial is equals to twice of E equatorial. This is one more observation, we can consider that, right? Thank you.